Hello my lovelies, it's Corinne from Corinne Marie Designs. I was just in my craft room having a bit of a play with some cardstock, and I thought I would just stop and show you this fantastic cardstock. The Designer Series paper, Bubbles and Fizz. It's in the Sale-A-Bration catalogue as a freebie. Yes, you heard right, that's free. So what you do is, with an order of £45, you can add this for free to your basket. You get 12 sheets. 2 of each of these double-sided designs, so you've got 6 designs, different on each side. So you've got bottles, bubbles, this one is little bottles. Fantastic, look at these colours, and they're so vibrant. These, I think, for me, make fantastic masculine cards, because you just can't, men are so difficult, I find, to craft for. I really do struggle with men's cards and finding manly colours and designs in cardstock, and I just think these are absolutely fabulous. I mean, that couldn't you use that for Valentine's, couldn't you? So men's cards, women's cards, children's cards. But aren't they fun? I mean, look, you could use this for a kid's party. Oh, but look, I mean, you've got these. So you get, obviously you can see that I've been using mine. A lot of it's been cut up. That's why I've shown you the full sheets. These are great, by the way. These are the Memories and More protective sleeves. You can fit 2 packs of DSP or cardstock in these. These are 12 by 12. I find that this is how I store all my cardstock, to keep it clean and protected when I'm using it in my craft room. I find it fantastic for storing. You'll find these in the annual catalogue if you're interested. I'll put a link for this actually in either the comments box, like below the description box. I'll pop it in there, and it's on my blog as well, so CorinneMarieDesigns.com. have a look. But look at these, I mean, how gorgeous. I just wanted to share. I'm so excited about Sale-A-Bration, can you tell? It's my first Sale-A-Bration, so having all of this cardstock is, oh, it's like having Christmas all over again. Fabulous. So there we go. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.